Hey everybody, welcome. My name is Oliver Rickets, video production specialist, and today we are going to be talking about and unboxing the brand new YoloLiv YoloBox Pro. The YoloBox Pro is a significant upgrade to the already excellent YoloBox. We're going to be taking a look at what's included in the box and what other elements you might still need to pick up to get going and start streaming. So let's start getting into the box for the YoloBox Pro. So one thing that I like right off the bat is this screen protector to protect your equipment and avoid scratches, dings, or breaks. Getting into the device itself, and anybody who has used a YoloBox before will see that this is right away much bigger than the original YoloBox, but still in a small form factor so that you can use it in your production the same way you would an original YoloBox. And let's first take a look at this. Let's compare this unit, the YoloBox Pro, to the original YoloBox, which I have right here. And you can see already that for those looking for more screen real estate, maybe a clearer picture of what you're doing while you're switching, the YoloBox Pro gives you a significant amount more space than the original YoloBox. The unit's about 9 inches wide with an 8-inch screen, giving you a ton of space to play with. Back into your box, you'll see that we have your quick start guide. In the box, we also have our instruction manual. As you flip through this, you'll see you have your diagrams, you have your what's included in the box, and some specs. Taking a look at the accessories in the box, we have this hot shoe mount with a standard tripod screw on top. We've also got some tools for your setup. We've got a wrench that goes with your hot shoe mount in case you get jammed up. For those of you streaming with a SIM card, you have a SIM card ejector pin. As for cables, you've got your USB-C charging cable, which has a USB head for your laptop or a brick wall mount to plug that in for power from the wall. And you've got a regular USB-C cable with standard USB-C inputs to bring in sources. It's worth noting that while this box has most of the items you'll need to create a perfect workflow, you'll still need to pick up a storage solution. Whether that's an SD card or USB storage, either are compatible, but they are not included in the box. If you're hoping to take advantage of the cellular capabilities using a SIM card for the YoloBox Pro, you'll also need to pick up a separate SIM card with a service plan in order to take advantage of that feature, as there is no SIM card included in the box. The YoloBox Pro is available now at $1,299. This is an excellent piece for your multi-camera portable production. Give us a call to learn more.